In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this little icon at the bottom left corner of the camera and the photo. Finally, just click on all of your photos that you wish to add, or select Gallery section and look for them over here. Then click on the chosen ones and select Add at the top right corner. You can also select Gallery, click on Folders, and look for your photos over here. When you find the chosen one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!